Welcome to Kognity. Together, we can make learning easier and more fun. Here is a sneak peek at some of the features you should explore. On Kognity, you can access up-to-date digital textbooks which are aligned with your IGCSE or IBDP subjects. Let's have a look at your interactive textbooks. Kognity's textbooks are interactive as they have questions and other assessment tools to help you learn new topics. To make it engaging and attractive, we have included videos, models, simulations and interactive applets, which are all waiting for you. Our textbooks also keep track of which sections you have completed. Our dynamic strength bar indicates how well you know a topic. Our practice center is great for you to learn at your own pace. Strength tests empower you to test what you know on your own and at your convenience. As such, this is a great tool for independent learning. Simply select the topics you want to test yourself on and get revising. You can also make your revision more fun by battling against classmates or the Cogbot using the Strength Battle feature. With Kognity, you can highlight things directly in your textbook and make annotations too. This will help you prepare for the exams by organizing information according to your needs and styles. You can always search through your highlights and annotations in the Notebook tab. These are just some of the features you will find on Kognity. We hope you will have fun with discovering everything that we offer. Happy exploring!